Be not afraid of going slowly, be afraid only of standing still. Experience is an expensive school, but a fool will learn from no other. Concentrate on the first steps rather than the entire journey. Even a fool has at least one talent. If you believe everything you read, you shouldn't read. It is because of fools that wise men can stand out. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. Never trust a beautiful morning and your mother-in-law's smile. Our strengths are our weaknesses. The prime of your life does not come twice. The day you decide to do, it is your lucky day. There is no need to bait the fish you've already caught. We learn little from victory, much from defeat. What you don't sweat out when you're young will turn into tears when you're old. When someone offends you, you haven't given him enough love. Unless he dies, a fool may not be cured. Sometimes you must use poison to deal with poison. Love without friendship is like a shadow without the sun. Money grows on the tree of persistence. In the eyes of a lover, a pock-marked face is one with pretty dimples. Friends are known first in hardships. Drunken life, dreamy death. Between a wife and mistress, a man always chooses freedom. In wealth, many friends; in poverty, not even relatives. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. The reputation of 1,000 years may be determined by the conduct of 1 hour. The wise man does not lose his path. The brave one does not grow fearful. When you do something wholeheartedly, you do not need helpers. You don't have to die. Heaven or hell are in this world too. We're fools whether we dance or not, so we might as well dance. The good fellow to everyone is a good friend to no one. Victory belongs to those who wait half an hour longer than their opponent. One who smiles rather than rages is always the stronger. It is the same life whether we spend it laughing or crying. Cold tea and cold rice are bearable, but cold looks and cold words are not. Always depend on your walking stick, not on other people. Men and women are never placed too far apart to be near. There are old men of 3 years old and children of 100. When one's character is unclear to you, look over to his friends. Who travels for love finds 1,000 miles not longer than one. The bamboo that bends is more durable than the oak that resists. Knowing how to do a lot means not knowing how to do anything. Nothing is more expensive than free. Half an hour in a spring night is as valuable as 100 gold coins. Before you embark on a journey of revenge, dig 2 graves. A broken mirror cannot be made to shine. We must never forget the explorer's spirit. The woman who's secretly attached to you has 3 signs. She wants to spend time with you, talks to you constantly whenever she sees you, and tries to learn a lot about your personal life. The tongue is but 3 inches long, yet it kills a man 6 feet high.